This is a typical A-level physics electricity exam question. Pause the video and give this a try. When you're ready for the answer, continue the video. A cell has an EMF of 3 volts and an internal resistance. So let's call this lowercase r. When the variable resistor has a resistance of 6 ohms here, potential difference across the terminals of the cell is 2 volts. So we know the PD here is 2 volts. The power supply, the internal resistance keeps 1 volt and it gives 2 volts outside. Now, the moment you see this, you can easily work out the current in the circuit. Because if you think about this one, I can easily use V is equal to IR. The voltage here is 2, current I don't know, resistance is 6, so I know the current here is 1/3 of an amp. Now, for the same situation, we can write V is equal to E minus I lowercase r. Now, this V here is the terminal PD, 2. E is the EMF, 3 minus 1/3 times lowercase r. Now, minus 1/3 r comes to this side, that is r divided by 3. This 2 go to the other side, that will be 1. So the internal resistance, lowercase r, is 3 ohms. Now if you think about the second situation, the internal resistance is 3 ohms, EMF is 3 volts. The variable resistor is adjusted to 18 ohms. The current is now different. So the question is the terminal PD. First, let's find the current of this circuit, capital I. The formula is I is equal to E over R plus R. Now, the EMF is 3. R plus R is 18. Add 3, which is 21, which is 1/7 of an amp. So, leave it like that. Now, the terminal PD, V is equal to E minus IR. E is 3. I is 1/7. Lowercase r is. So, 3 take away 3 sevens gives me 2.57. Let's call it 2.6 volts.